During these testing times, you need to be well guarded and armed for your business for the days ahead. These are uncertain times, and we don't really know what lies ahead of us. So, you, as the business leader, need to be prepared to face the future of your business. Not just that, as a business leader, you're also in charge for your teams. And you have to boost not only your own morale, but also the team's morale, ensure their well being, and keep them engaged in a meaningful manner. So, what is it that you can do as a business leader for your business and your teams? You need to boost. Boost is the acronym. B stands for brainstorm. Brainstorm with your leadership team, see what needs to be done, what sort of action needs to be taken, what is the business continuity plan, right? Keep this intact. You need to think out of the box, or probably even think inside the box. The important thing is the ball needs to keep rolling. Your business needs to propel forward. Probably you can take pride from the past. Like, how did businesses survive, when businesses start getting computerized? How did the businesses overcome the Y2K era? Things like that. And ensure your business propels ahead. O is optimization. Optimization of your resources, your cash, your fixed costs, your business processes. Everything needs to be well optimized. See what others in the industry are doing, your peers. Share lessons learned, and see if you can share resources, see if you can share office space, if you can share teams. What is the best way out? Think through that. The next O is online business. You're probably already in the online space, but see what more can be done. My children's classes have all become online. My workout classes are becoming online. I believe electric car companies have online ways to fix the bugs in the car. So if you're stranded in between, through online remote support, they fix the bug for you. So see what else can be done for your business, because we're living in a digital era. So see how best you can leverage and capitalize on that. S is to strategize. Strategize to come up with a business contingency plan. What can be done? What if this lockdown prolongs? What relief measures are you planning to take, right? So strategize, come up with a plan. Maybe you can even do a sensitivity analysis. T is the threats. Evaluate your threats. See what mitigation plans can be put in place. What needs your priority? How can you plan them, and how are you going to communicate it to your teams? Think through that and put everything in place. So with that, I'd like you to say that boost is the secret of your business's energy, right? So I know this is testing times, but see what best you can do. Be brave, stay strong, stay safe, stay indoors, and all I can say is I wish you the very best during these times. And if you have any good best practices during this time, please do share in the comment section so that others can also learn from it. And like, share, comment, subscribe. This is Anisha soon, and I'll catch you yet again. Stay safe again. Bye.